Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Pulse Plus, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. Let's tap on them, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on languages at the top and tap on system languages. As you can see, this is the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it. Let me pick maybe Turkish. As you can see, the language will be immediately applied to this list. However, the English is still a main one, so we can quickly change it just by tapping on the language and swiping it up, so changing its position to the top one. Then let's tap on change. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language. Of course, we can do it again, tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. And as you can see, we've got English. If you want, you can also remove the languages from this list. 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Tap on the language you'd like to remove, so mark it, and the trash bin icon. Tap on remove, and we've got only English left, or any other language. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.